Enemies dropping into the AO.
Halla, halla, halla.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
There you are. We got the green light. You're going to the war zone. Grab your gear and shoot. You're up in 3. Rules of engagement are simple. Weapons free on all threats.
Let's roll. Battle Royale.
Kaya na ba?
Hey, mark me, bro.
Yeah, naman ka.
Why me?
Oh, ban naman ka.
Why me?
Let's go. I marked.
Come get this.
Wala mataka.
Wata streamers oda sinakota man.
Karre odi.
Alright.
He's literally started.
Hey, I'm trying to find a gun.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
So I can pistol whip you.
How do I try?
Where you at? You guys get the contract?
No, I can't find it.
Doesn't make about that.
Yeah, what are you doing on it?
Bounty targets marked. Kill them all.
Papaiki.
Why didn't you interrogate him?
I was about to chief. I was going to interrogate.
Let's get the bounty.
Alright, let's get it.
Bounty.
Remmogo, can you see comments?
Bounty. Ish, man, I'm starving, bro. I think of going.
Bro, I'm also dying of hunger. Hey,
yo, Remmogo, can you see comments? Wait, let me go look at the comments. Give me a minute. Let me look at the comments. Yeah, I can see the comments, chief. Mr. Pro. At the Oscar.
Where? Yo, dudes.
There's someone right here.
Pin.
Easy. Here's your guy.
Easy.
Okay, what the Okay. A&B Q. Mutakwaro bato wanoro. Wa na mushkila umu. Arna bato wanaro. Ate. Kana la li sepe bat. Bola di let's see.
Hey, there's one player on your right.
Ofana bato bola wa mala. Bola mutu kyo. Yaone.
He's dead.
Hey, monster momenti.
Yaone, you said he's dead, dude. What is this?
Yo, mutawata baka tip.
He's dead. He literally just died. It must have been a different team.
Bro, I've been
fighting. Money for this people. Dog, you can be a gamer. You don't need to buy a lot of the stuff. You can still get a PS4.
There's a team here.
Butikinho. Yo, bakumpola.
His boyfriend is there. And he's missing me.
What are you doing right now?
I'm such a bot, bro. Using a shotgun even. Oh, wait.
There's
a thing. Bambo Paxera.
Come on. Hey, these guys are sniping.
Hey, man, recoil. Yeah.
Motor strike.
Move towards them. Move towards them.
Yeah, but I'm going on the left. Oh, he's right here.
I think guys, Call of Duty toxic, like for real. It's the most toxic, game you can never play. A toxic game like that.
Someone is running outside. Reload.
Kill, one pet out.
Nice, GG's.
Simple, that one, my guys.
Bro, there's another guy, ne? I think he went to the gas station or something. Ish, bro, this gas.
Yeah, I started with playing. Yeah, dog. Similar like a phone, my dog. Similar like a phone. Call of Duty Prime.
Yeah, more packs.
Similar like a phone, you get it closer as time goes.
The more packs I want. But hey, this gas is pushing us out.
Yes, the first one.
I'm not to kill.
See an enemy.
Nice.
Ooh,
He was right in front of me. Hey, buddy, I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay, winter gate.
All stations. Whiskey 1 securing.
That's how the guy, man.
Location.
Finish him. We take a finisher. He's
useless. Oh. I get to kill it.
I'm disappointed.
Follow up.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new
Mark.
zone.
Go mo ke phakalana. Re bitsa phakalana malita. Go bitsa phakalana. Go nna le madi ya la go ala. Go bitsa packs. Go nna le zaga.
Go for state, manaka.
Go for state.
You know, I'm just reading your comments right here, Papa. I think I needed to get the thing.
You can be on the left. Yo, come on, wanna papaya thing Konami.
He's whack, bro.
Is that guy again, though? That's the same.
And that guy had a clean shot.
It's the same guy.
Yes, it's the same guy. Where he won his gulag.
Our buy station, we have more than enough money. Because of parks, I told you.
Kalani. Wanna papaya thing. Over the
guy.
Money by.
Got some cash. Found some cash.
Alright, pulling up.
Okay, I just need 2.5, bro.
Bolaya.
His guns are heavy.
Imagine I buy something completely different.
Spaghetti. Yeah, there's someone pulling up.
Guy, yo.
From both sides.
What are you doing?
Interrogate him.
Mire finisher that one. Mire finisher.
Alright, your squad.
Yeah, that's mire finisher. Cut!
You got
Shit! What a mola.
Our guns are here.
Yeah, I took my loadout. He's calling you a coffer. You too, mate.
Why would you call me that? These guys.
Mutakyo.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing, buddy?
The racism is so wild.
They gave it to Remmogo. This is the third time this guy is here, dog.
Where the guy respond?
The same.
It's the same guy.
Bro, you'd think I'd been killing, but nope. Not even.
Bro, same.
I ain't been. I'm gonna have 5 kills. Yeah, I'm here trying to help.
Hey, these guys are far. Look at that.
How do I let it?
Hey, they're fighting at the bottom there. I don't know where the gas is going, but hey, there's a lot of teams down there.
They're wearing the speedo, but they ain't tight as me.
No, what a sniper.
We don't hear. Play. Buy a UAV. Don't you want to buy a UAV before we push these guys?
Hey,
Yeah, look how many teams they are. You're gonna go there and round out the whole thing, but there are so many people around there.
Secondly, yeah, I think you got one.
They won't buy a UAV.
I can give you the Zach, because I'm trying to
smack
you.
Hey, give me the money. Drop the money. Don't go. Hey, someone is aiming. Behind.
Yeah, he's up.
Are you aiming again? Play.
Huh?
Play.
Kiyo, watch that. Yeah, you believe me,
Zone located. Gulag
How to go, Moon?
I'm down.
They're pressing me.
Kill. Come on. Down. Nice.
He's here.
Hey, on the move.
Oh, my gun.
Ke go bone chip la ka la tla musi yang ke go bone.
Who Who did he get? Hey,
Yeah,
bus station.
Go get the UAV.
Yo, ke bolaya ke motho. Hey, ke pushitse
Get
thata.
Bokang, get
Who
Bokang,
the guy
get Bokang. Get
Ayatswa.
Bokang.
This is the first time I'm back. It's
It's it. Get Bokang.
Ya go nthekela.
About a UAV.
That guy came back for the fourth time, bro.
Le bone motho o mpoleile nna bana. Le mmolaile. Ah, tla bana ke o bana o ntse o teng. O ntse o teng. O ntse o teng by pin hallo o gona hale.
Yeah.
You're losing ground.
Come on.
Those guys.
Alright, he's sniping, eh?
That's how you have a clear shot.
A tla re malatela la rotlhe. Gore ba ipotsa.
There. Hey, get played.
I'm dying. Late.
Wa go snipe. Wa go ntsa. Yo, Zara.
Maria, help me hold on. It's a UAV.
Hey man, that was my money, nigga.
Our Guardians lost
It's
power.
okay, Nevan.
Ha o ka ke wa pusha yalo. Hey, so tla tshwarela. Lauren.
Rub some dirt on it.
We're getting slapped in the back.
Hey, I'm getting sniped.
Hai, ke ntse ke mtakole. Ntse ke mtakole.
Yeah, he's sniping.
I got drop plates here, an ammunition box.
Bro, I need my guns, ish.
When you died on the field.
Lawrence, wa le ke pusha wa ne ke tla ke re ke ta wina ale chief. A ngo tsa di risky man. Ka no tshameka.
Whoever has smoke, throw
Someone
it.
is running. Someone is running. He's rotated.
Can I smoke? Is batla kae? Play o batla kae?
Actually, I want to get.
Grenade out.
Nice.
Yo, he almost self-failed.
Ka di gane tsa ka le nna ha le mona wait. Ka na ma ke tsore di gane tsa di botela man.
We're gonna have to rotate up.
Huh?
We're gonna have to rotate up.
Yeah, let's fight now.
It's 3v3. Can you guys see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, clean.
Nka tsa load out te man nka itumela wait.
For a round. I'm dying like
Lawrence.
very poor round.
Ah, but I go mo ke o ila Lawrence Parks.
Alright, we have higher ground.
Only 4 remain. Finish the job.
I think, I assume.
Gas is closing in.
No, so only had my load out.
Yeah, no, these guys are right. I'm gonna push all in nose.
Yeah.
Move to the safe zone.
Kebal, kwa. House ka tama wa kae play. Wa kae.
The gas is moving. The gas
Hey, tsana stop on sale. Sa block 6.
Banner Bay Camper.
Manna ba camp. Har camp bisabal.
He's right there.
Har camp. You got to load out. Come on.
It's 3. What? There's 2 teams left. 3v2. Killed.
Yes, it's a load out.
I broke his shield.
Where you going,
Hey,
brother?
yo, someone. Yo, yeah, it's mga konta. Ah, die. Yes.
Enemy marked.
What are you doing,
Hey, play,
brother?
get him.
What are you doing?
Get him.
Tapo man ang sniper.
Play, get him. Ha!
Malita ka.
Nice.
Nice one.
Won.
Way to get it done.
Clean. Bantawot. Hey, bantawot. Hey. Bantawot, chief. Bantawot.
Tears of joy, face with tears of joy, face with tears of joy, face with tears of joy. Bama to boss.
Mataon po lang.
Visual on your mark. Hold on tight.
Bro.
Yes, follow ko na tayo na share. Mr. Pro, come share the live, guys. Share the live.
Check around. I was
That was a very sweaty round. For a first game.
Living a tough
It's a
town.
bad.
That's what I'm talking about. See how you
Too
did.
much rotation.
Yeah.
Teamwork is unmatched.
That teamwork is unmatched.
Assist.
Who got the
That's not
teamwork?
gonna title me assist.
Old
The
school.
teammate is unmatched. Ah, I know. Now I'm doing some
Speed and
achieve.
violence make a great
And
team.
I'm out.
Stay locked and loaded. This ain't nearly over.
And this Zoro guy.
I don't drop us some stabilizer and I can stabilizer and I can.
Stabilize. What's your leader? Alright.
Play knows he's a party leader, right?
Later, our party leader.
Let me share KO WhatsApp.
Let me share WhatsApp. Yeah, do that. Thank you. Let me share WhatsApp. Yeah, do that. So yes, guys. From
Oscar. Baka play. Can I come on and Oscar?
Nakina lane, but nakina lane. Kinali
Oscar.
yeah. Kina labo golo lo muncha. Okay, guys.
Nakina regata wa bogolo.
Arta bogolo, wala kumra wa bogolo.
Play. Amazing as play.
I'm to get that to check on the second one. So guys, from Saturday they go Twitch. Today they check like give a talk about it.
COD your setswana rolling on the floor.
It's crazy how you name the stream COD setswana. But ke COD setswana dog. Hasama lungu. For the first live 12 is watching. This is not bad for a short notice.
Plane.
Hi bad. What's your name?
Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming soon.
Ruri COD your setswana.
Yeah, Ruri COD setswana. Ke COD setswana chief. COD lungu. That's a COD lungu. You guys setswana chief. Go on hashtag I think COD setswana. Can I read that? Yay, I'm going to people level. Tokolo di game mo Cody.
Time's over. Now you deploy to the war
Pero you
zone.
might us change character.
What am I
You
doing?
literally might us.
I wasn't.
12 it's not bad at all.
12 is not bad at all, G. Trust me. I've streamed before. Yeah, man, get out of it. 12 viewers is not bad. Get out for a short notice stream. You guys pulled through. It means a lot. I wanna start streaming COD for the fun. You should do it, dog. At the 12 minutes. Nah, you do the 12 minutes.
It's top a lot.
That's what people are saying.
There's a bounty there, marked it.
Hey man, the build at the 12 minutes.
Hey, she's gonna die here.
Hey, this
It's a bit sweaty.
This is about Rogi Lava Bonagra.
Let's get down to business.
You see my
Take
money.
them down.
What the hell is this thing? Is it inside?
Hey, I think it's inside.
Right. Oh, my guy fell down. Oh, ain't that some whack? I'm gonna be beaten at this station. So you found it.
Simple. Eliminate all bounty targets. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the scouts.
Yari la tele la Bonager.
Hey, my nose is actually.
Raila tel.
Hey, right, but I don't have a gun.
There's a dude here.
Cha, okay, when I want to go on the trouble. I'll trouble is a
Hey, I'm doing. Can I do a marathon here, dog? I'm walking up the staircases. Are you inside the building? Hey.
There's a gun somewhere here.
Pistol.
Ganiki.
Marked an SMG.
Hey, arla tele mtako, arla tele bounce.
Oh, you're making me dizzy. Someone is coming upstairs.
Mana anar baile. Play ke lo yela do yela tetso. Are. Kyo. Gona lo ngwe Popaiki. Yo
So your stream is like 2 seconds behind. Hey, he's right behind you. But you got him.
Hey, Ampola.
Ah, you got him.
Yeah, you know they like there's a delay yana. I don't know.
Hey, give me that gun. Yeah. There's someone incoming.
Mana lo ngwe Kyo by the bridge. Kwa.
Hey, oh, he's on top of the bridge. He's on a
Yo.
That's why he's gonna munch me.
Because he's on top.
Got gas moving in.
Ah, fuck it. What? Hey. It's language, dog. Ah, I'm so used to it.
Nah, but I think I did, what you call strong language.
Hey.
And this language about to be the strongest motherfucker in it.
Okay.
Yep. Right here. Well, you guys.
All squad members are in the safe zone.
I really don't know where to go from here. Someone is beat. Kotas.
Underneath.
Behind me, actually.
Kako.
Don't come trying to smoke me. Yeah.
Yo, play on the right.
What are you doing, brother?
You can mean Sergey.
Sweaty. Where is his boyfriend?
Nah, he's alone.
Hey, footsteps. Where is his boyfriend? I told you.
Good morning.
I thought he
He literally stole my kill. That's a literal. This guy.
Bafana ba utswa kill tsa batho. Play Zola loko pele. Play wa play gato a ho sa tsi. Play wa. Bara play kana ya one. Kung bara ya one. Mo ke mo di steps e.
Y'all chipping on my name, man.
Hey guys.
That guy. Ask him who's missing. Let me come out there.
Mape mucho.
Come on.
Wa mapa. Barbecue
and fam. Oh, this guy's self-revved, dog. He's self-revved.
Hey, arma te lo pala.
Hey. You guys use the cable. Yo. There's so many staircases.
Why will? The steps is the man. I'm talking about la pegante. Someone.
It's him. He dipped.
Nah.
Hey,
he dipped. Hey.
4 or 5 boys. Catching up.
Why not able to honor?
William Takole Mule. Play Nicky.
He's gone.
He's gone. Into the try higher.
He's gone. Yeah, we just came from here. Cut the player out, sir. Not me.
What the player off? What do our force achieve?
Nah, bro.
He has no aim.
How not mind? Hey, yawn. Zaddy.
I don't have a.
Zaddy.
But drone.
Hey, Ibule, Katola tell mine how do you?
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
If I get smoked.
Yeah, get our leave. Hey, Batamut.
Come on.
Hey, Molate, easy.
I'll tell you to detonate it.
I know, I ammo bits. Go.
He jumped.
Basi.
Can you guys get these guys? They're literally running.
Yaoni, kill you. Well, I'm around.
Zod is online.
Just call me Zod.
Hey, Zod, kill. It's a move.
Hey. At the bottom here.
Yo, que like a pozo.
Let's go get him.
Que like a pozo. This is a regalo, canon.
Here.
Hey, Key,
his boyfriends are there. Hey, we need your backup.
I want to get drone no man. I'm keep bomb drone got this time.
Hey, man, when I'm
Baban.
I hope your viewers are comment.
Nigga. Get out of one of the comments.
Hey,
Jammo.
Hey, and he had a loadout. Wasn't a loadout? Hey, he has a loadout.
Ah, skip the call.
Like a share it. Play.
Bro, when I stand close to Bakang, I lag, dog.
You lag? Why? Game hela wena ba tlile go mpola. Game hela mo tseleng.
There's a guy missing. One of his teammates.
Pull up.
Let's go.
Pull up. My end.
Bakang, we left. His boyfriend is still alive, dog.
Hey.
Pull up, yeah.
Hey, ha, di neke sendela ba fana ba di link. Ah, lintile na man.
Hey, play behind. Got him.
Field upgrade.
Double Foxy Brown.
Ali mo one shoot am na wait.
From behind. Hey, you need to get here.
Malakosi.
He probably has higher ground.
Hating. Nyamele kotsi. Ra le ka thabana. Aw man na.
Until Zod comes in, all of a sudden our kills go wild or low because of Zod.
Zod ta utswa di kills tsa mo a tswa.
I know he's in the lobby waiting. He must wait there. And Zod, please don't Chris.
Let's sharp a private match face with tears of joy face.
Let's sharp batting. Let's have a private match. Rafiki, are have a private match, chief.
Is that Rafiki?
Yeah. Get Rafiki.
Na Rafiki Rafiki.
Hey, get Rafiki.
Taka men. Ah.
Are have a private match, chief. Taka men. That one I just paid me seeing ile ana mage taka men.
No, taka men no just put it safe for kanwa.
There's someone sniping.
Yeah. I don't know, I'm getting shot. Taka men already do just put it safe for kanwa. Play this side.
Yeah, chief.
There's a person there. I don't know if you can. But there's another person that's sniping. I
Your
can't
boys
tell.
are saying I'm missing, man. I just downed the nigga mid-air.
There.
Mala. Di mana na.
Okay.
Banka basta.
Friendly loadout drop.
Oh, you took him out.
Rabalatel.
Yeah, we can go.
Mo snipe. Wala mo snipe and stay.
Yeah.
That's in the mod.
But they sent to the wrong location.
Hating. Lady game. Sandra ora ma ni magona Sandra da. Ora ma urgi Sandra.
I can't find the staircases. Can I do more thing?
Ngo ke ba moletse ha.
Money.
See my money.
Where is this guy?
Zone is far from your location. Get moving.
We know. This guy's gonna put us a face. And I need a better gun. I'm using 2 SMGs. I'm gonna get smoked with these guns. Someone is still shoot him, bro. Play there.
Bakopile ba kwa.
The camping.
Kana me sekela go go.
I wish I had my.
Hey, load out. Yeah, but nee. Didi tumela.
Oh, he's sniping. Play, I found him. There.
Yeah. I'm using this guy's college pro, dog. I just keep cracking.
Mole baleng le kana ba tlo rola. Re mole baleng. Ha o nona le smoke.
Come on.
Ipotolo.
Friendly Guardian is active.
On the right.
Mutuki. Kiba. Ema ekta ba high ground di wena. Yo, mo snipe.
I downed him.
Bulanja.
Climb up. I downed him. I downed another.
Nice. Ooh, nice one. Easy.
Yeah, what are your followers saying now? Yeah.
Why? Too easy that one.
That's a bot gun.
With the bot gun, chief. Imagine.
We didn't even take our loadouts in that game.
Nope.
Visual on your mark.
My money.
Hold on tight. Here comes the snap.
Yeah, me. 12 viewers are bad.
Well. Return the conquering heroes. Doing us all proud downrange. Let's review. You fight through hell and not a scratch on you. Good shit.
THNX for coming guys.
Yeah, nigga.
Good.
Someone stole your thunder, huh?
I really appreciate it. Folded hands. Medium dark skin tone.
See what?
Look at that assist and damage done. Look at that.
Yeah, play now.
You're stealing the kills.
You are assisting.
Yeah.
Look
Look at your damage. Look at
Showman always there for you, G.
literally taking all the kills.
Exactly, but God, not me.
Thank you, Tabana. Thank you, Showman always there for you. I'll never forget y'all. Never.
Remember, I was sniping, though, so it can't be me who was stealing your.
Oscar.
With the boys. We're my boys.
Oscar, hey, Oscar,
Running top.
Alex. That's our bishop.
It's a double O on it. 5 aside here.
Off the roof. The compliment is out.
Hey. That's Oscar. I can Oscar. I can Alex.
Face with sweat.
Oscar,
yeah. No, I can also not look. I got man look at him.
That guy, hey, that's one.
I don't have.
Literally.
Born. I can Alex.
Well, only goes to Alex.
I also don't have him. I don't know why.
Why the fuck?
How did you guys do?
That's the base one.
That's the base one. Hey, no.
I cannot. One of his locked. He's locked.
Which row? Which row? Why is my Oscar locked? Which row?
Motsadi Oscar ke motsadi bitsa double O kana ke motho wa Papa side hela ke ta bitsa double O khotso motsadi Oscar chief okay
Let's how we pay attention.
Di
Hello, Oscar.
The dog.
ta ke mute na ke na loto hela o play ya ona o so na loto.
Bro, how can I net? Oh, what?
Jang.
Hey, comment them.
Hey, yo, dog. It's so engaging, dog. Can I
take him out and got 2 kills.
Nearly
Bona damage.
Boni damage.
Tua.
Welcome, man. Jesus Christ. That feedback from Ragana.
What in? Yeah, no, we KD. You go to buy KD.
Can't do them again.
It's not.
Can I get play?
And again, I don't go in his kitchen, dog.
Get the low, I get the
the stream is so clean.
Man, I school dog. What the?
I'm saying it's a dangerous month to be.
Ari.
Not the boat don't use the hotel for my rubber.
Ah, what's got about Reba? I'm happy. Wait a minute.
Drop a young.
What I am worried. Artisan.
Drop a young. Drop a young.
Hey, young what?
I saw we had the same amount of kills in the previous game, the one before. All of a sudden.
Finally, boy. All of a sudden.
Yeah, Borreba get no home. Yeah,
Wait, Mr. My pizza to Huager. Anyway.
These motherfuckers, dog. Oh, I have one viewer.
Oh, we the guy when go Twitch.
Yeah, I'm on Twitch.
Not Twitch. I can connect them. I can link.
Yeah, I'm going to get a
Hey, when I was Mozart.
Ready to go. So gear up, grab your chutes. We're going to the war zone. Cleared hot on all threats. Watch your ass down there.
I know. Be back again, I can say. Hey, one of the graphics are so crazy, dog. I'm amazed. Later, you have no idea, dog. I might drop a 20, dog.
Hey, you.
How the reporting tell like it's a halas
I drop a 20, dog. It's so crazy. Even the snipes in the one shot with him.
Primary
objective is to eliminate all targets.
I'm full. Ah, so like Jamu killing yan. Ah, so I got a killing yan, Malita.
My station is right. When I have one dog, go and have a gun.
There were like 7. There are like 7.
Ah, no, I didn't.
On top.
And I don't even have
this
a gun.
nigga dead, dog.
What were you doing?
Hi, brother. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Bow, mura ke mudi lodi.
Bro, pull up.
Thank you.
Pull up.
Hey,
Hey, George, can I give you a wuchu again now? I'll order answer.
Kill the time.
Hi, brother. Hey, Baba.
I told you. I don't have a gun.
Ah, I can't see you. You. Banteleg.
Oh, God, dog.
The last one.
Gabu. Bolalito mugule.
Lone banner face with tears of joy, 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 soft lines.
Waka!
Your squad mate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
I just think it's funny that you don't feel bad.
I'm not going to win. The guy never knows like in Nagel one.
Get the.
Squad mate failed their mission.
Which was fun about. Kimililo one.
Squad mate
Bola mutu, umote, George. Bola.
gas moving in.
Get the.
Umolain.
Hey,
Yeah, I got to time to kill him. Hey, what about
Iron
Man.
With paying attention, dog. The bella map. Chat. This man doesn't use his map. He's not dead. I think he's in.
Hey,
Squad made it to the safe zone.
The graphics are crazy.
Yeah, man, I see soft life in the man, or soft life in the man. I want a soft life. Oh,
my boy.
Tata.
How much you have? Hey, drop a money.
Kate.
On by.
Yeah. Hey, nice cool, man.
Okay, yeah. not
Shut
going
the
to
fuck up. I just came back, dog.
drop, my chief. What?
Relax. It's a hood again.
The money, dog.
Hey, there's a sniper.
See him on
Someone
A.
is aiming.
Wow, we see how. Can I go to choose the enemy? But
Again, I don't have a gun. We're playing this game with no gun sucks. Hey,
hey!
Cover.
Down, no more. One more kill you. Behind us.
Assist! This bitch of a game is saying assist. Back to back.
There's another inside here, and I got another inside here.
Come on, get out.
Another quick scope. How you gonna hold me, guys? How you gonna touch me, brother? Yeah. Fucking hell.
Revive you mong wada. Revive you.
On, dog. He's gone.
Oh, what?
Hey, Zod, kill 6.
Atu, who's gone?
Wait.
I'll let teammate available. Dog, I'm way.
I don't ultimate available. We are gone.
Parachute.
No, get out of the dog.
Parachute
Hey,
again.
man.
Motekelo wapa kama wale body sniper.
I got on a TV, I'm massive. You can't see that shit, dog. When I on 65,
Yeah,
dog.
Rafiki. Yeah,
Come on,
it's boot camp.
scaling, dog. Scaling, it doesn't. Dog.
Keep boot camp.
Pull up the tree.
Busted on a beat, deep boat. That song is nice. What did he plan? Is it not like 6 minutes, that song? Is it not like 6 minutes?
We played it back time.
Busted on a beat, deep boat.
Zod.
Who's your daddy?
He's going to the buy station. Me shit about my kills. Nope.
Guys, I don't know how to play the gulag. Please help. Should I just stay here and wait?
Zod, I hate.
Someone just landed, bro.
I don't know how to play the gulag. Hey, you are dumb, my nigga. You are dumb.
Down there's chowing, though. Yes, sis.
Gulag. That's how you win the gulag. Hey, covering you while I just didn't think. I like it when I put thing.
The worst kind of
Savior.
Kau tell a little kill my life. Wait.
Of course.
Hey, they're aiming from the back. Yo, my screen is glinting.
Alright, your squad's in the
So
safe zone.
Buy stationing. My things are popping up at the buy station. Club.
Wait,
Are you
these guys
popping
are
off like
bad.
a Glock 9? What?
hey, lewan ba khakalam. Saya thoban, ha 3 million saya thoban. I'm landing. Rafiki, le sa go lenda chief. Kill. Hey, man, jore mona wa ikuka man. Hey.
I'm streaming, brother. I have one view.
Hey, kya go le tla. Ora yang oro na lo one. Ara lo ri go one ken na go di.
Hey, what are going on TV? Are baby girl, what's your name? Hey, tarre ke you.
Hey, go team.
Go team. Kena lo.
Come
on, ami ne kai.
Go pa my UAV.
Kita come le si le taban. Nah, I have to buy my gun back.
I don't know, dog. You confused.
Nah, bro. He's very pissed like a post.
Hey, play on the right. Yeah,
Are master deep.
And that's sniping.
Hey,
That's sniping.
Because there are 100 bullets. There are 100 bullets.
Enemies are dropping into
I'm
the
gonna
area.
regret it,
Watch
I
the
know.
skies.
Wala mo to ne ha taban. How to chanting.
Dog, we're fighting 2 people here.
There's a sniper.
Zod.
No.
TV, I told you I might drop a young 20. It's a young
What are you doing, brother? What are you doing up here,
Where's
brother?
your boyfriend? Oh my god.
Jori lo mola, Jori ki wa mola. Jori tla ramu togele. Ah, o mola ile
Who's
Jori.
your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Okay.
Ooh, on top. Come here. Come get me. I'm not dead, though. Come get me. What are you talking about?
Hey, ke bana tlobola. Finally.
What's that on a beat? Hook, beat, God is not a Jesus level. Beat,
No, that's bana tawela. Ke go
Battery.
go ba tshapa di copyright.
Loadout drop.
Batho kae go godimo.
Oh, Batu, get on the one.
Batho kae go godimo.
Yeah, by station. Yeah, by station. Yeah, by station.
Ah, relax.
Guys, Boka.
Yo, I told you, go to the bus station. You don't listen.
You don't listen.
Hey, na give me what the shit? Hey, man, na give me what the flip?
Time to get better, man.
Hey, 90 minutes.
Oscar wa modimo.
Hey, man, 90 minutes. I'm talking le man stress. You're a chicken, no? Yeah. Nigga down. Nigga down. Never plan about.
Oh, sure. We can show the score again. I don't know what I want to come on the list, huh? No, what I bua.
Yeah, Zori can was 60. Zori can was 60.
No, you're ready to talk shit about the lowest. No, what I bua.
Ah, Zori di time. Bona damage.
Who's going to get the magari contract? Who's going to get the magari contract? Play and NASA assist.
Play and assist
damage.
You
have to lose damage and NASA assist.
Play and assist. Start to one to read some Gallic tag over the copyright.
Sniping. I don't need no. I kill it.
Money, get share and answer.
Ushera.
Stream link.
Hey, let's
Stream link.
Hey, let's say.
Me and my boys drop top threes all the time. My nigga Johnny can drop, can go circles around you guys. I need to roll on never. Hey, but that guy's on troll for days.
What man?
Rolo. Past 3. Hey, late body mind. This big katana. Hey, that's the guy. Hey, that guy's a troll dog. Let's drop that top 3. How's about number 3?
Enemies are
Ujur nali ya nari lang kantile naman na wana.
Ah, we put the thing on the thing.
Retensa mine mo drone ati video recon drone.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, daw na mood.
Oh,
that home.
That's fancy, huh?
God damn.
Ugwa.
You honey in the.
What they intended for a certain audience.
Only in the pre-lobby, dog. They're just only in the pre-lobby. Well, come to the game, chief.
Zod, huh? What they intended for. Your thing is private, is it?
Grab your gear and shoot.
It's not private.
Are you sure?
Bokang what's in la kante.
It's any low one, it's not private. Unless it's in a.
I'll see you on the other side.
You don't have Twitch, dog.
They say YouTube you have airport.
Battle Royale.
Let's see where to go. Oh, are out no. Hey, like the copyright, chief.
I want to copyright about one chief.
Wow.
What all that like a Ramco sound, not a Ramco.
Hunt
down the enemy.
Matata Karna Rasa with you.
Kira ka abanad solo ka na. Kita dikit.
Why well chief?
Bounty targets identified.
Hey.
Weapons free.
Hey. Pine mana pine mana je betsa ya la chi. Na dingwa ka la idu le ba le je betsa.
Wake no go.
Okay.
Hey, the answer, let's go.
Hey, take post it down.
Let's go. They left.
Why is it now that I'm struggling to find guns? And there's an incoming soldier.
Man, you wisdom take a woman. Hey, man, you wisdom take a woman.
Yo!
I don't know that here.
Bro, I still don't have a fucking gun.
UAV drone up there.
Niggas be
Hey,
like
someone. Huh?
Need pistol round.
Finally. Beat upward.
I got sniped, yes.
Beat upward, eh?
Somebody get me.
Liray.
Cabana. Listen, Cabana. Ow.
Yeah,
Well done.
Hey, we're going upstairs.
Re, tagir na
My cluster man is hitting someone at the back.
Qual ba to?
Cluster man. Zoro pagami wa yango.
Zippy. Aish, man, there's that thing also.
Fuck.
Gas is closing in.
Pero clear.
Ako no good legam.
Your squad mate is in the gulag.
Let's play you.
If they survive, they redeploy.
Ari, saya kebani.
Summer too hot, and level up.
Friendly UAV.
Hey, kill. I don't remember to.
Oh, one.
Kill.
Mana tele.
What are you doing, bro?
Mi charelin, chavala, mi charelin.
What are you doing, bro?
Yep.
Jala zao di kai man. Wata finish at, like mo finish. Yeah, that mo finish da. Mo finish. Mo bisa gampa. O copy.
What are you gun?
Can we talk a lot of cheap win?
Patong wala. La terra. Bisa udah.
Let's move, gents. Move it.
Agree, you guys are having too much fun there. I don't know what you're doing.
Wala kung itakamu ito. About to good again.
Kalagalo to la chief.
What
are you doing, brother, man? Just chilling. Zod.
I na scoop.
Kyo. Popeye kyo. Keep when you come on Popeye one. Ow, banana.
Baraka batu go by station, eh?
Kyo agoro.
Go dim.
Hey.
Someone got smoked.
That nigga got me, dog. Nice.
Hostiles in this area. Moving here.
Yo, now.
Yo! I ran out of bullets, you saw that. Listen.
Oh, what ran towards him?
Like since
Boka Putiki. No, they ran towards him, dog.
Wah, tabu.
Boka Pulala is there.
Alaga tabu kaya.
Yeah, but I play coming out of nowhere, dog.
Out of nowhere, chief. Umulay ni play.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
He ran away.
What's the motek?
Yeah, he's a sneaky one. He's sweating, eh?
Hello, speculate.
Hey, man, unse,
I told you he's sweaty.
Hey, unse. Hey, man, unse, Ramon.
Hey, you got smoked, huh?
Masalah ni saka, aku suruh latih dengan. Gulag you know I am Malika. If you wanna win the gulag,
light work.
This is how you do it.
He's a sweat, dog. He's somewhere here. He's a sweat.
And you gonna have
Go upstairs.
Hey, Okon. Yo, he went back in. Good. Corner.
Yo guys, I don't know how to play the gulag. Should I just wait here? Should I just wait?
Hey, there's another inside. Go up another inside.
I don't know how to play the gulag.
Oh my god.
Hey, you are down, my guy. You are down.
Hey, mister!
What guy?
Where
What
the fuck
guy?
do you think you're
What guy
going?
gets a snipe in the spot?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Give me your money. We need money.
There was another
someone
sniper this
sniping.
side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Someone
this side.
sniped.
Alright, let me
Okay,
move.
You guys, yeah.
Alright, ciao. That was.
Come here. Yo, Marmalade, come here with your GTS.
Oh, from behind. From
Marmalade.
behind. That side. Green mark. Or whatever color I have.
Alright, let me move. Chaban, kyo ko mara kwa siya kwa.
Moving here.
Hey.
Kita malate.
What color are you, Boka?
Green.
Money on buy.
Money on buy, gents. Let's buy a loadout, please. Bokan, but fuck a loadout.
Yo!
Good sir.
Take it who? Take it who?
Don't even buy it.
Hata don't buy him.
I called you. Don't let it get retired.
Hata don't buy him.
You're losing ground. Move.
Taking some. Hey, Lisian.
Where you get smoked?
Lisian.
Say.
You're not goated, brother. You're not goated.
Hey, Bokan, I'm bright to me.
Hey, nagito me.
Hey, shut the fuck down, boy.
Yeah, one more kill. Judge. Nice.
You got to sit the fuck down, boy.
Hey, one
Sit the fuck down, boy.
Baby.
Thank you, Morano.
Ya kon teka.
Nigga.
Play has enough money to go.
Play ya kon teka ter.
What about that?
Para waiga kaya.
There's so many people. Look at that.
What are you talking player?
So I threw tear gas at that dude, dog. He was gonna get.
Oh, you did. Man, I already sniped him, dog.
Nah, dog. I saw that.
Boleh bola apa nama batu bakai kir?
Cawel.
Bang. Bola apa baba? Maki. Yeah, obviously it's a bunch of niggas, dog.
Nah, that's sniping.
That's sniping.
That's sniping. Je pala mada play. Taya.
Wah, okay.
Yo, we know it's not going to.
Washapu.
Ah, kata rakau. What are distributor?
God dang.
Enemy here.
Ah, the wawa nanti.
When I got smoke from this bitch. Hey, I need that.
Somebody coming.
Mua
Bro, someone is here. I'm a should have come this way.
You. Hamburger wala has.
Simple.
Karampu.
Food soldier, tama.
Nta ko wili kay wol. Food soldier kay.
Eh.
Ako no ba tang na food soldier, tama.
Rakay.
Ada baling da. Battery.
Arba la tele. Ari. Morakwa. Yeah. Bad sniper. Hey, bad sniper.
Bad snipe.
Second
I'm
round.
How do you?
I'm to buang hela.
You got a loadout drop inbound.
Play on one. Mutu buang.
Hello, the thing I lent you.
Pull up to your end.
Footsteps. Your side, play.
Cracked one. One cracked me.
Lagi dia ko bata dilong yan.
Can I kill someone?
Unsa ba ko na ha? Bas sniper balo ko niya.
Eh, kono ko boka.
Hey, utampola.
Hey,
Luena.
tapu.
Potatoes.
Claro, to say that, chief.
16.
Not 16.
Head to the safe zone.
Yeah. Why not Masolo, okay.
Ba, siapa pana?
Manaki na nali play.
Robert sa makalang wa.
Walang tapon. I'm not gonna tapon ako siya ako
forward.
Keep out. Hey, la bola ke motho. Motho ke wa tlhabana.
This guy literally went up.
What are you
Nice
doing,
one,
bro?
play.
What are you doing?
Nice one.
What are you
Down
doing?
toes.
This guy smoked me, dog.
Come on, now tsere.
Malamunga.
Kabana ntse au banna.
Play out.
But the play.
Harato go bana.
Oh, Prosper.
Au banna.
Oh, get me.
What are you doing, brother?
And I watched your screen. I think you
There's another one. Oh, he fell.
I think he
One
ran
is
out of
below us.
bullets.
I'm dying.
Gas is closing
What can
in.
gas
Get
be
the
kept on
safe
stock?
There's a buy here. There's a buy here.
Baru send this video nya.
Bertamai.
Apa nando?
Yo, kistakile.
Zamaya.
Artamai zodi.
There's a buy. Go to the buy directly.
Bukan, maka buy please. Maka
I
buy.
marked it. It's marked, boys.
Aki bona kem. Bona bukan batting. Fly. Ke send it banka bastard thing. He said say less dog.
Wasia.
Batho ba chuta ba re ke a tia.
Ora kile mo.
Ha ke a reka chi.
Hey, sorry.
Ona le banka bus.
Ke go mo precision.
Baka mo sampa.
Nice.
Pick it point it.
Nice.
Hey, mona malaita bati na. They like hiding in corners. Hey, Boka, watch out.
Why ya ka chi. Why ya ya mo ki yo. Mo play.
Go press that guy.
Mun taking kabanan taking.
He kill your country. He ba me. He le ke swete.
O go morago aga wa rotate.
Mun taking. Beta moto. Taking data bana. Zoro na le mali ya mantsi chief. A go tsetso wena hela.
That guy's a sweat.
Don't bolay. Play. Buy someone.
I don't have to. I don't even think about him here.
2v2. Hey, ba go mola.
Oscar reka nnam. Ka itlo go batla.
O rekile place ya.
Ye le there reka ya one.
Mona ke rekile go.
A ona gani. Wona di tsaka play.
Oh.
Kyo wa mono, kwa go ha kyo. Play a ona musula, o se tsile. Wona di tsaka play.
Nice. Zoro down.
Oh, usually.
Charlie.
Babu. Babu motho so tsusa child.
O tsa child. Zodi.
O tsusa child.
Charlie, mine is correct.
Hey, wa utlwa gata one is cracked.
Nice one, Zod! Go test.
Nicely done.
Hey, nigga, le passing.
Ganon tekile ki play a ira te to amona.
The latency is so less, dog. The latency is so less. I can follow people now.
Hook up and stand by.
I still put numbers on board.
Yeah, sala go reka chip. Awa ira te chip.
I didn't kill anyone when I got bought back. So
Mr. Pro, play we rain.
What you supposed to do?
Mr. Pro, play we rain. Kira era senza aritu ali ni. No, but I got to
That's what I'm saying. I didn't do shit, so you can't say I got an extra kill because I got alive.
You picked the right dudes for the job.
Okay. Are reba chwana.
Mabutana.
Is the
Hey,
crank
when I connected this sniper, no.
I'm downloading Twitch.
Yeah, you should get it.
But I have it on my console. I have it on my console.
Boka tlamna record last 2 minutes. Non TV.
Eh, ne ke go lebile.
Record last 2 minutes.
Pe Pearson a rena hela leng.
Na ke itse gore ya me hela leng. I long bot but
I don't know. I think we still have a month or so.
kana ya lo itse tsela ke reka that one time I ke itse gore ha se ke reke gape.
From last year.
Yeah.
Go go bonds.
Hey, that time.
O tshwantse no nka no irile.
Ra o dirile ngwa.
Is that ranked mode? Ah, it's not ranked mode.
Who's loading late now? Who's loading late?
Hate lo to la record sama like that.
Think about 1.5 men. Not half man.
Hate re khulta ke lo.
Oh, you know Oscar, they were in Salmo retirement day.
Salmo retirement do we.
O re pula medical aid. Go bisi go yone ntse. Adjustment. Taking money.
Yeah, ke ba ke tsegile ba o ya one ba at manzodi.
Hey, ba ke tsegile what the hell dog?
Yeah.
Check your gear and weapons.
My caption is rebirth. I think it.
O drink water, tsunami it's ngwanaka.
Eish man.
Alta kho tsaise re go.
Drop it into the AO.
Ah.
Remmogo next stream recode which definitely.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
When I stream, I can't record.
Bird came down. We are green to go. So gear up, grab your shoes.
So I'm gonna stop this stream because hey, man, that last game was so nice.
Nah, I can download the stream out here.
Yeah, now record last.
Let's roll.
Remember next stream record Twitch definitely. Hey, no Twitch.
Mana,
Next stream record Twitch malaika.
Keep saying. Let's check it again.
The pedals.
Play.
Oh,
somebody come here with your zest, yes.
That's my boy.
Oh, look at you. Hey, he's running behind you.
Why see more?
Hey, man, he can run, though.
Hey, what's
so
wrong?
trouble kakao.
Lo mo tlapan. Lo bita. Yeba ni tshoko tsaka tsaban. Bana bafana batana bazala bana.
Guys, focus.
No, get the fuck out of here.
La zala malaika.
Play later. Gotta make a sin. This guy.
Ubula box ya bafana.
No, what's up? Next time you try to count 98, I will tell you to go na khay ka go bolel.
Omoki. Popaiki.
What did you say fuck me for?
What did you say fuck me for?
Keep the guns, dog. Fine.
Don't take Kadiki.
Nah, I'm fine with that. I want that guy.
MCW.
Didi chen.
Yeah, grand pichemana. Oh.
Fale mungo.
So gangwa so ka chief.
Fale mungo bata. One pizza. Hey, nine pizza.
Another one.
For sure, Malita, for sure. Go Twitch for sure. Give me the webcam, you got the webcam and Gamu.
Oh, Unjil. Another one here. Watch out.
Melissa playing.
Right here.
Melissa playing. Reta, Zod, Reta.
Hey, una di steps diga. Hey, di steps. Tao pala meka.
Ke tla ke a tsena.
Yep,
Hey, cover ya, cover.
Your squad mate has entered the gulag.
This side,
Hey,
this side,
let's
this
go
side.
To redeploy.
Hey.
Someone is aiming.
Ah.
Go, yellow mark.
Watla mo nga malateng tse mo. Watla mo nga ntsa malateng.
Squad mate has been cleared for
Play
redeploy.
less.
Play has.
Play less. Come here.
He's downstairs. Kill. I marked him.
Beautiful.
Pwede ka.
Ain't nothing, dog. Ain't nothing in this bitch, dog. Nothing.
Go play. Go side and play. Well play landed.
Go on not heaven.
Re tla chill.
So far.
Re ta. O ska la ra rena lotu le leng. Wa krata ba ga re boliki. Ka wa rena lo ena.
Another one here. Another one on your left. On your left.
Ah, damn! I ran out of bullets.
Hey, wa pula.
Nice.
Go get that guy first.
Oh, it's fine. You're halfway. You want to go over that heaven?
Don't worry, I got you.
Hey, man, I'm like pieces away from dying. Me hagis.
Thank you Tawana for watching this. Get through we see you later. Me hala.
Thanks for the follow, thanks for the follow, thanks for the watch.
Yeah, I'm by station in
We don't have money, dog. We literally don't have money.
I'm looking at the money.
Cumulatively, we can do it.
Come on, hey, I can drop money on buy.
Mighty
Thank you,
Tawana. Thank you. Le karo bana malita karta. Ta wala stream sin tela ka weekend tela se rap.
Mongoter chaka ho agar bakang ko ntsere.
Or please ta lo nel ta go ha.
I don't know what this guy is doing.
Hey, yeah.
Malo, my left boko ya. My left.
On the left. Go ahead.
Hey man, no ba ta sniper go ha man oi. Como yo ba.
Arwa.
Mana ka go tla ke sena kill ya ka bagi mana.
Mo was left Lamon.
Batu, vamos yo.
Batu.
Wasi, wa kai.
Wala mo ko kanje mo nse.
Eh man ja mu hosa mo de ja mu hosa.
Ya wa ya.
We like the content to talk a weekend get go text and feed. Ah sure. So like that.
I don't have bullets. Come on, in my room. Hey,
Kebal. Salamo batu. Play.
There's no one has bullets on the floor.
Mana ke tsere di ganda tse di tlhobolo.
Pro bana Mr. Pro. Ah, you are a real G, my guy.
Okay, what's the ganda tse di tlhobolo ke play.
Bola mutu.
Bona la ka ke bola squad wipe.
Wasi. Flank, mo flanking.
Omote. Odule. He's osile.
Kill.
Ah, chabana u
Nice.
bona mali.
Cadê perché un complinere?
Kill.
Yo, buton pulaya.
Kill. Orapan.
Ah, bona chabana.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
I killed that guy, but I didn't get the kill.
Corazon won't even revive a nigga.
Mutuki, what's up, man?
No, my niggas will get him.
Incredible, got man. The boy kill you.
Get me, dog. Who's cooking me, dog?
Get the boy.
Play. Get away. Yo, play while. Play's getting this guy. Get cool, dog.
Untlogetse move in.
Ma.
No one gets left.
Haganama rumo.
We all don't have bullets. You see what I've been crying about this whole time? Play had bullets, bro. And a million of them, guys.
I didn't.
I got bullets from your body.
Bokang,
I can
push
reach from my
the
gun,
task.
dog. What
Ha
you
ke a
mean?
pusha kopi ne ba lehela da hadi.
No, ke rala gore o lebelle se se dira.
Eh.
Alena madi. Ka swa mona ka rekiwa ka swa.
Yeah, I hope this box has money.
One of those rounds.
Yeah, nah, it be like that sometimes.
Eh, manana ke a downiwa mo.
I have enough money. We have enough money. Do we have no?
Hold on, motho ka atla mna yone. Forgot about this nigga.
He's there.
Right.
Waka.
Yeah. That's my
no
kill.
Fucking way.
That's my kill.
Ain't no fucking way.
What's
After
in
marking the
my-
whole guy.
Soldier incoming.
After marking the guy, dog, you
No,
can
what's
mark him
up?
and
What's
kill.
up? What's up? What's up? Let
I
him
said,
mad.
like, again, I said,
Bah, sharp.
I said, nah, dog.
Kibal. Let him buy iponel. Kibal. Well, taba iponel. Ba murazon. Go boy le twa murazon. Zono tabugile he.
Yeah, la go.
Le totore ke le makela batho. No.
Wena ke a go latela chi.
E be le mbei.
Ke go sa motho.
Yeah, there's a whole team this side. There's a whole team.
Down to so tla zone. Mwan to so.
Hey, Baka, get down. Come here. That's the aiming.
Moving in. New safe zone located.
Kana motho le no na screen na mauto. Wa ka ya no ya on.
There was someone in the tunnel. There's someone in the tunnel.
I don't know yet.
The gulag's locked
Thank
down.
you. Thank you.
There's somebody on top.
Hey, Kobile.
Wa Simon.
So we like him out.
Boy, when I'm sniper.
Ba Simon.
Oh my God! Smoke.
Buy it.
I don't have smoke.
Batala
One against
mola.
one, dog.
Ya no bulwa ke mane mo sa bui. Ke tla bana do tsa ya o ne bana. Ya o ne tlamela. Ya o ne ha o bui. Ha o bui gore motho ke. Ya o ne wa bui.
It's my kill.
Ya o ne. Ke na lo ena. Ouch, tlamela kana batho ka ba sa mpola kana o mpoletse gore batho ke ba mona.
You're losing ground.
Ke go ele tore batho bele ba go mura zoid. Zoro tletse gore ga ke bona ka motho a tla ba re that's my kill.
Zoid ga ke zodi na ke ire yalo. Zoid bona re buire ntler. Mone.
You know what doesn't make sense to me is the fact that even you have to mark. Let me mark.
I marked him. I literally marked him.
No, I haven't done. I'm not done talking. The fact that
was literally the last guy.
Like if we were chief, we talk the thing lao ka maka motho ebe re rula ebe ke tsa kill thing it depends on how much damage I made because I was sniping. That's why I got the kill. Now you don't mic people because why?
No, okay, well not can I before you shoot.
Yes, because it's a teamwork.
It's a teamwork.
So you have what's on
I watch your screens and I see you guys they shoot at Philly, then you back. After the horse, they be like, hey gents, there is a guy.
When?
It's gonna be like that.
You can't call me out now.
I'm calling you out now.
The dead. That doesn't make sense.
Udi 10 na yao, udi 10. Right. Udi 10.
What did he make? Because we do like a one kill. Because what do you make about?
Ow. Play out will.
If it doesn't mark people, Boka doesn't usually mark people.
Both of you guys,
that's why
after the shooter.
That's why I can't tell you don't push too far away because he was far there.
Man,
don't say you're fighting.
I'm on your Twitch.
We're holding for deployment.
Well, I can't tell you Kerago no gore ne ke re ska pushesa khakala ke skere pushesa khakala
ba tla ke dropa 15 ya
15.
Does Twitch pay you, man, as well?
Enemies dropping into the
Why
area.
would it pay me now? I just got here, dog.
No, I just want to know how it works. Does it pay?
Are deploying to the war
Yeah,
zone.
it pays.
Yeah, it pays.
It's loading. I don't know my. Oh, there we go. Intended for certain audience.
We got intel there might be key.
I'm following this account. Oh. Sometimes my Twitch bugging. Oh.
I just think it's funny that you don't feel okay. So.
Let's pay, please.
Battle Royale.
Hey man, I'm forced to get a gaming PC, dog. Wait,
What?
I'm forced to get a gaming PC.
You're forced.
Yeah,
Why do you want a gaming PC?
so I can stream.
Targets are up. Go take them down.
Can I just stream I wanna stream on TikTok as well. What I or not really chief. Elaborate.
Can do that. Sure. Yes.
No, I wanna stream more.
I think you.
Yeah, no, I
No,
can't.
but I think you can stream. I think there's a way. We just haven't figured it out.
I'll try to figure it out. I'm going to go on channel Twitch.
I don't be nice. Rara, jaga montates.
Hey.
Are baby girl. Hey, brothers. Where are you?
You're being tracked by an enemy squad. Evade and survive.
Well, I can't believe it. I'm being evaded. For what?
Lord
knows.
Play, Tabaco.
Yep, Lepancho.
That's the Agnes. What?
3 years in Tawana, thank you for watching the stream.
It's a relevant national reporting.
Thank you for watching thanks for watching the stream.
Yes, yes.
I appreciate. Bamba di Kolong.
Karam. Another one here. Down. Another one. Come here with your pretty eyes.
Gas is moving.
Come here with your pretty
Objective complete.
Goodbye.
Eliminated.
Can anybody can Oh, I'm sorry.
For base station here.
Ha, ask you bule o pick play ala kumpiyon. Oh.
What the fuck?
Wow.
But I thought that was very good. That's a line back to God.
I'm multiplayer what I want.
Got a buy station here.
Hey, but you can kill on multiplayer.
Mardi. Blue. That shit, nigga. Karakali UAV.
Oh no, your stream is clean, boy.
That's mine, nigga.
Why should I mark
Lomo.
Urasa masam kana sawa zodi.
Bada.
I killed you though. I don't understand.
Hey, yauni.
Eh?
Sam kana sawa zodi.
Hey, so both of you guys, I can give you 3 minutes at the Haraho, so I killed you not.
Wow. Follow kill. Lift it. Lá music Hey Masolen
Yeah, it's a result of thinking of more Twitch.
Nah. I'm focusing on the game. Oh!
Hey!
You know, the one thing that's getting beaten while I'm streaming is my battery.
Yeah.
Hey, Mutikyo! Mutikyo! Hold on!
Mutikyo or aim of you?
Narwas. I can now one.
Obama kilometers screening
Martezi. Zipire da kai. Ah, go wherever the fuck.
Ask you, Bola.
Hello, one kwaka.
I haven't killed no one. This is a bad round.
Bro, I missed the hose. When I get like the hit.
From the wow, who's up?
One of a can hose.
Kiora,
Inbound, marking a new safe zone.
Come out to the lane, Bola.
What's in the car?
Why?
Play. Baba, Kimal. Play, go play, ne?
Yeah. Mutikyo, I'm pissed out. It's when I need to put an optic on my gun, dog.
Yo, happy.
Baba Ntinyan. Zod, Baba Ntinyan, I'm gonna...
Yeah, I'm still fighting for.
Okay, wait.
Hey, I'm born.
Kill, nice. Hold on, I'm behind.
I don't say.
I'm still fighting for a little. Hey.
Who took my guns?
Guys, I don't know how to play this gulag, this game. Ace, man. Should I just wait?
These guys are throwing grenades. Ow! Hey, man, I just went to whole play. You see where they smoked there? That's right.
Hey, if you let your call, Lou.
Your fight's over, soldier.
Hey, when I let go fast, they play. Oh, fast thing,
dog. He's too quick, dog.
Hey, when I too quick. What the fuck is that? Cover.
What the fuck? I took a wrong gun.
Jang-ho.
I'm gonna interview come to half second.
Jang-ho.
Please.
Hey, you almost had me, dog. They fucked up my guns.
I'm around you.
Yes, you're not very close, man. Yes.
I'm back. Power round. Tolekiti.
Contract piano.
Oh, Teneca.
Ah, man, what's the again saying?
No, buddy.
Wala pisa late you.
Artesa ka. Kona lo mongwe.
Batho.
Mo mona taboga yana.
Ke bona lo mongwe.
On your right, boys. On top.
Yeah, I'm sniping. He's down. What?
Yeah, I think it's the guy just go with him.
Got movement. Throwing thermite.
The pahamay ang go with him.
He's cracked.
Tenzaki. Why this step sumote?
Una shield. Play the rotara lo shoot ile mana. Hey. You don't have play.
I can't about two. Can I not get to shoot off? Where are these steps?
Hey, I'm gonna move.
Balendil.
Hey, una balendil do. Are we back into the jump shot? Yes. Sasi, come on.
Wait, I can't repeat it.
You fucking campers.
Your mama camper, bro. I want to.
Yeah, your mother's.
When you had to run out and reback.
What gun is he using, dog?
What gun am I
No,
using?
more.
I'm
When you
using
step,
your
when you
mother's
step.
pussy. That's what I'm using.
Ah.
Hey, she have to push him on.
Eish, Aina. It's Aina, ne?
You're anal. You're anal, bro.
You played yourself. What am I telling you? Hey!
It's not looking good.
So they want to get together. I know it's amazing.
Yeah, come on. Wait, like this.
They know it's amazing.
I got sniped.
The enemy took down one. Get
You
him
know what
back.
I'm memorizing the buildings, guys. You're not memorizing the buildings.
On cut the Bula score was a child.
Yeah, or have a gun. Yeah.
Grazo, deliver card.
Yeah, not get you like I perform. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't perform.
Eh?
No, like I know, man. Salam.
The guy 60 months down.
You
I don't want to give it. Now, never shy away from that. Give it.
Remmogo next stream Rico Twitch definitely. Rico social handshake.
That's it.
We like the content too. No talk car weekend Tekla go text and fit you.
They don't have a link down. Hey, we got pay the street. They don't have.
Hey, man, Spain is cooking, dog. Yes.
Hey, man, I thought your stream is clean, boy.
It's cool, no chief. Cool. You know.
Our teaching if you have good internet, just say.
But I don't know what the camera there.
I want to try to get one Nakamus.
What's the webcam, Alish?
Hey, I'm getting the PS1.
Oh, that's kind of cool with Twitch.
Yeah, no, I got that Twitch. But I get where I can live Pakela lunch. We see you guys. 8 it on.
Ah, no, fuck that. The fuck? Nah, dog. 80! Dog, I'm sleeping. Nah.
It's in Pakela. It's in Pakela. Get out of my zibu. Oh, one now.
Hey, the guitar Pakela, nah, dog.
I get that code, but not like that. Play can now eat your Pakela. I'm going to 07 and about to the console.
I want to Saturday.
Hey, na Saturday na so again.
I have there's a trip full of tracking in my room. I want to go. Hey, keep doing. Oh, let's go about hey, Doja.
Why you already said it, dog?
Alright.
Yeah, Doja, let's talk, guys. Let's talk now.
Into the on Malita. No worries. Thank you. Into the on Malita.
I tell about Oscar screening.
Keep Oscar.
Let's roll.
Hey, who's the Tanet?
Battle Royale.
Hey, Tanet, I'm gonna come Zans.
Oh, my get packs, I get him. Get packs.
Yeah, get packs. Yeah, you wanna come? Hey, you wanna come?
Cut the channel, I'm going to go to the bottle. The Astro.
Ah, bye.
You're clear to engage all targets.
Hey, give me why? Yay!
Bye.
Hey, motherfuckers are niggas, dog.
Bye. Apparent.
What's up,
Qua. La babona get Malita.
Zodo hit.
Into the area. Watch the skies.
Behind. Hey, I'm going to pay about it. Bokan behind you.
I'm confused, someone.
I'm not the enemy.
How about a fast reload, huh?
Sige, na po pa yung way, ilagay. Ba, ilagay ba pa na?
Oh, there's fucking recoil, bro. Motala sa gana ka bokan.
What's up? Some contract to give them. I'm still looting on it.
Drop portable in me, ho. Halibani sepe ho.
I wanna say.
Wait, boy, que we drop him. I wanna say.
Need pistol rounds.
Let's make a bullet box, Chaban. Can't run.
Hey, man, I got Gucci that.
Pakalani chi. Pak.
Kung kana ta contract sa guys. Kaya
Kaya terrible di box.
Ah.
Man, look at that contract. I'm losing this side.
Portable, 2 gear.
2 to go.
Kyo. Kaya
Naram sala di telo mora. Di di box.
That nigga on top.
COD.
Ah, gimana di take kids. Di take kids. Gimana di take?
2 supply boxes secured. 1 remaining.
Ibutsa portable. I wanna say. Zoro mitail.
Enzero on malita, enzero on. But I wanna end.
Mo packs ya no.
This is the last game and then I'm ending the stream, guys. Probably will. Ah, bueno.
Okay na to kasama na.
Ah, baja calabawa. I can now one yan. Vamos bagay.
Oh shit, that's squad wipe.
Squad wipe.
Your squad made it to the safe
Bakit sa
zone.
zipi ka kap? Kaya leva ruirala. Hoy, tala. Irala.
There we go.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Incoming, what then go? Vamos, la tela azul.
Como que le?
Hey, Zoro Hakich.
Um momentinho. O Atung.
Wow.
Bem target.
Ah?
Lagi me refinish. Ouch.
Ah, nagsasagar ka dira. My bad. Kira finisher.
I was chilling.
Ano
Mo Gakamola Sandsail Mo Fefon rolling on the floor. Laughing, rolling on the floor, laughing, rolling on the floor, laughing.
Oh, yeah me. Caliber.
Ah, no, le mongo sniper.
Visual on the enemy.
Ah, moto kill.
Vai, save. Hey, play lane only 10. I just feel like
Oh, give it up.
how it's.
Six shift di rankante.
Ah,
Pero mo ite.
Bafana ba di snap para ba rin.
Kaya ke mo makile ita ko abona le na gore is red. I marked.
Six shift ke ne di la divlo.
Oh, malay.
Baboy sa pakalan.
Want to play from behind. Want to play from.
Kaya wala mo tayo na tunsa loko pila ke.
Positive ID on the bounty
They
target.
killed them. Bouncing
All
an
bounty targets
air.
are KIA.
Barakila loadout.
Qua.
Got a truck here.
Scavar barricade the whole buy station shit.
Na batho ba bantsi.
Se ba bantsi ba etla kwana a re ba emele ha ba etla. Ona la high ground.
Ah, was snipe.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
So there's one on your left, David.
Ona la high ground.
Yeah, Ronaldo is about my left.
When you're here. Good. Ah, solid.
Hey, keep cranky.
I'm down.
We're down.
Yeah, coming. Yeah, what's up? Get I'm I black arrow back below.
Coming up.
He's coming up.
I'm coming up. Parachute. What's your marker color gun?
Ramon sale mo phehong chief. Ramon sara mo golo sale mo phehong a re mo togele.
Yo, on top.
Okay, kwa? Eh, man, I get
now. My screen is doing that blur thing. It's so annoying.
Yeah, I can cracky.
Ba, but
my home tailor. Mana we tailor mo ko mara.
Got him.
Correct. Jora, boka mo precisa tibato mo Tokyo.
Muto boka.
Get to the safe zone.
Camarada.
On me, boka.
Hey, can I learn?
No, he's still there behind you.
No, kill me.
Nah, the sniper. A car and feet.
You've been a piece of shit, man. Oh, yeah, self-res, my boy.
Mutoka self-res of Mola.
On me,
they're shooting from back.
Hostile located.
Yeah,
my
boy.
Mago Park Sagar. Play, Are, Clement. Zodi, Zodi,
yeah, no.
Here's a saw. Hey, play, behind us. Let's not let that guy cross. Here.
Come on, play. Zodi, so. Happy.
Can I just scour?
What?
Hostile area. Stay frosty.
Boka, what the hell let them to get?
Okay.
Yeah, dead, bitch.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
I'm between you guys.
How you moon?
Need mid-cal rounds.
On me, kids, on me.
Or rotate it.
Rotate it. On a cash king, you see, let me cash king at it. But he's.
Or a kilo load out. Kill you. Come out. Cure.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. No more fighting in the gulag.
You ask you,
we like the trouble.
We may like a lot to that TV. Kamala, Tarwa, Siaka.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Someone is dropping. That's very close.
What? Load out.
You guys have enough for loadout.
Loadout, I'm a kill me.
I have enough for my own loadout.
Loadout, I'm a kill.
Down the hill. He wants to come fight.
Down the hill. Back to by stationing, ne?
Come on, John, now run to bow.
Gas is closing in.
Someone is shooting at me. Where is he?
That's one play.
Do you know why? I want to send them to look good.
You made it to the top 10.
Yeah,
Alright,
that's an
in
assist.
the safe zone.
I get so many assists in one game. I need a lethal gun. This
Yo.
That's a 13.
I want those tempers, brother. I want those tempers.
Buy station.
Barreki.
Okay, Babans.
Kalo la moto. Hey, Mike, who's still?
Baba, behind us.
I'm killing the buy station.
You keep around, take it. Oh, what a beauty. Let's keep a little. Come around.
Kibulele kiza boy ki, bola moto. Monga lampuela, monga lampuela, monga lampuela.
Go haka ke na gona le mongwe yo snipang a le sena go tsoga gone.
Ah, go na le motho sniper, go na le o tsene mo teng o ba
Batho ba le ka batho o mo o tloga ka morago.
Na ke tsena rwa ka mothakola ke tsena.
Nice brother. Oh, yang 15 wanaka.
Yang 15
na ka bola.
Yang one.
Yang one ngwanaka.
Na ka bola.
O tla mo ba tsodi.
Okay.
Got your pause. We're inbound now. Hook up and stand by. Here comes the snap. Good hook.
Ai khale mona ya betsa.
Ya betsa ngwana. I keep telling you,
Well.
Ile ona sente. Ile ground. Yay. That's a lot of the whole game.
Let's see how you did. I'm impressed.
You kill him pen.
I know the 10 chief.
Long range. Someone stole your thunder, huh?
Vado per te, vado che te la calcio il tielo.
Good shit.
Tutti le mochine che abbiamo visto le cercano loro assist.
Look at that, 11 assists, bro. Who the hell has 11 assists? 11.
I sing 11. The least kills had the most assists.
Moving.
Even nah, what I'm taking some out to have an early morning.
Hey, our bed's the last one, then we fuck off.
Yeah. I'll interview half 7.
Interview, yeah.
Gaps of him.
The money.
Oh.
That's so early.
I was really poster. I'm like, niggas, you want me to come there? You didn't even make a poster for me to post. Niggas are playing.
On a live, it's on.
On a live, guy.
Kafu na this nigga's like.
Tabon.
Yeah, on an assist. 11.
No, Tawid.
Like 11 on
Hey, what the way you perform those silly.
Ow. You take a seat. Ow. You're not getting poor. Ow.
Yeah, when I want to go, yeah, when I can way.
Yeah, one analytic a fair. One analytic a fair. I can go packs in.
Perform.
Gear up fast. We're about to get even.
If the circle is here on the last round,
I go packs.
Hey, Hakalala Molabale.
Yeah, I made that drop packs.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Hey, hurry, packs it.
Y'all make this look fun. Word came down. We are green to go. So gear up, grab your chutes. We're going to the war zone. Enemy activity will be high. Expect contact early and often.
Let's get it.
Buckley.
Ah, ke pack. Yeah, ke pack ala. I wanna do it. Oh, too excited, man.
Primary objective is to eliminate all targets.
Excitement ta go ile tlhogo.
Na bana la luta. Ba dangerous. Bataba ke ba ka kwa di na ba itse ra ta kwa no na gona le thanks dot na gona le makanyane na le gane ngwana mona ka rata ga super food ine a o molo
yeah I get it
thing
straight up
Secure the supply boxes.
Aina rico Lendi portable ala ka di bona tlhabana
Adibana. Where's your brother?
Hello.
Yo, who's the yellow guy? If someone
Muri.
Senzigiti vese utamontam pesa from the back. I'ma let you bleed out, motherfucker. Let me close the door, dog. Yeah, bleed out.
Ah, le moto ke o.
Hello, one portable. Ah, mona ba tsamaile mona.
Abayo, ka batla kwa.
Wena ko taka ngwe.
Let him bleed out.
Na papa engwe ke ka hae. Hey, zoro mon. Interrogate. Ah, me interrogate.
Zoro ke Malaysia re interrogate.
Warna.
Hey, wena.
Ye khale ngwana.
I'm not even there.
Marking sniper rifle.
It's a 5-star.
Gas is inbound.
Horrible on deck.
Yeah. Ah, alone.
Let get my killer precision le gas mask. Mama ditse. Gas mask ke ke
Supply box secured. Move on to the next one.
Yeah, Saka. I need that. Need that, Emma.
Supply box is down. One to go.
Selfie welcome. How about yourself?
Ah, ganaling sharp.
Can I get me up with 3? Can't let nigga down you. I can let this thing on top. Thank God we came here
All
because
squad members are in the safe zone.
Are hete kontra kami. Kana ba dia na
Hey, can't I receive Lutika Kwan?
Kenzi ke le ka go di hukotsa.
They are be like, we already have 38k.
Secure. Contract complete.
Pagalani chief.
When I don't get the use of a guardian,
The Pagalani effect.
A guardian has to be one of the most useless things this game has ever created.
I'll land at the mobile station in there.